Flick is revolutionising residential pest control and the use of poisonous rodent bait boxes. We're changing the game yet again with smart digital rodent monitoring for homes. Smart uses the power of technology, not poison, to protect families around the clock from rodents. Our expert technicians will install smart monitoring devices in high-risk rodent areas of your home, such as roof void, subfloor, under sinks and behind appliances. Unobtrusive sensors are constantly working in the background. But don't worry, Smart runs off its own network and won't impact your internet usage. If rodent activity is detected, it will be communicated to our smart data hub with real-time data, analysed, and your local Flick branch will contact you to arrange a treatment plan to resolve the problem if required. If you currently have rodent activity, we will put a tailored plan in place, install Smart, and continue monitoring to stay on top of any rodent issues. Smart is a sustainable, non-toxic approach to pest control that's safer for families and pets, negating the need for chemicals. Included in our Peace of Mind Home Protection Plan. Subscribe and save for complete pest and rodent protection, or add smart digital rodent monitoring to our Convenience and Flick 100 plans. For a monthly fee, safeguard your most valuable assets, your family and home. Your home has been getting smarter. It's time for your pest control to catch up. Subscribe to a monthly plan and get smart with Flick. Contact us today to find out more. Call 13 14 40 or visit flick.com.au.